Forests plays a pivotal role in moderating human-induced climate change. It contains 50% of the world's terrestrial carbon stocks. Most of the forest species are endangered and there is a dire need for conservation. Multiplex, being a concept company, initiated Multiplex Forest Factree Private Limited to produce quality planting material for forestry timber, medicinal, fruits, flowers and woody climbers species, and also for timber and seed marketing and sustainable agroforestry model development training.